Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Gamma AI, a tool that claims to change the way you make presentations forever, and it's positioning itself as more than just a slide maker. It's an AI-powered creation platform for slides, visual documents, mini websites, social posts, and more. I've been testing this tool, so in this video we'll cover everything, what it is, how it works, the pros and cons, the pricing, and whether it really deserves to be called the best presentation tool in 2026. So let's get started. At its core, Gamma AI is an AI-powered content creation platform that helps you build presentations, documents, social media visuals, mini websites, and more, without having to touch a single design tool manually. It uses multiple AI models, meaning you can start with a simple idea, or prompt, or outline, and Gamma will generate a beautifully formatted deck for you in just seconds. But here's what makes it different. Instead of traditional slides, Gamma uses an interactive card-based layout. This layout is mobile-friendly, dynamic, and feels more like a modern web experience than a static slide deck. You can navigate cards like a storyboard or scroll through them like a web document, all without coding or design skills. And it doesn't stop at presentations. The same system can generate website pages, one-pagers, pitch decks, or interactive docs. Even social posts and visual documents can be created from a prompt or by importing existing text. So in short, Gamma AI is AI-powered presentation plus document plus web page creation engine. It's designed for speed, visual polish, and flexibility. Let us talk about the main features of Gamma AI. AI content generation. You can paste in an outline, a few ideas, or even a URL, and Gamma's AI will generate a full-fledged deck or page in minutes. You don't have to choose layouts. You don't have to choose colors, fonts, or design logic. The AI does all of it for you. Card-based storytelling. Instead of slide decks, Gamma uses cards. Each card acts like a unit of content, and cards can be nested, rearranged, expanded, collapsed, or filtered. This gives you interactive storytelling capabilities that traditional tools cannot match. Templates and themes. There are over 100 themes and layout patterns that you can switch on the fly. Whether you want minimalistic or colorful, Gamma has you covered. Collaborative editing. You can do real-time collaboration. It works in here a lot like Google Docs, so teammates can edit simultaneously. Then there are comment, suggestion, and review features that are all built into Gamma AI. Media and integration. Yes, you can import from Google Docs, web content, or even old slides. The AI can rewrite, translate, and generate images based on your slides. Then there's also the export option. Multiple export and sharing options. Yes, you can export as PDF, as PowerPoint, as PNG or Google Slides, or just publish a shareable link. There's also the ability to publish decks as mini websites, which is perfect for pitch pages or portfolios. Next, we have the analytics and viewer tracking. Gamma offers engagement analytics so you can see who viewed your deck, how long they stayed, and what they interacted with. That's huge if you use this for client pitches, proposals, or marketing decks. Now, let us talk about the pricing. There's the individual plan and there's the teams plan. On the individual plan, there's the free plan, which gives you a few access to the basics, and there's the plus plan at $9 per seat per month, a pro plan at $18 per seat per month, and an ultra plan at $90 per seat per month when paid annually. If you pay monthly, the prices jump up. And on the teams plan, there is the $20 per seat per month for teams who want more collaboration, and the business plan at $40 per seat per month. So what are the pros and cons of using Gamma AI? First, the pros. The AI saves hours of design work and eliminates blank page syndrome. It's extremely fast generation, from ideas to finished content. There are professional looking outputs with minimal design skills required, and there's real-time collaboration and sharing features. How about the cons? The free credits can run out faster than expected, so you'll be tempted to do the paid plans. And some users have reported template limitations and repetitive design. Also, sometimes the AI output can be inconsistent, so manual tweaks are sometimes needed. So, having considered all this, is Gamma the best presentation tool? Well, the honest answer is it's one of the most exciting and powerful tools in the AI era. But whether it's the best depends on your use case. So if you want speed, you want design that is clean without manual effort, you want the AI first workflow and an interactive web-friendly output, then Gamma is a game changer. It's especially powerful for creators, marketers, educators, or anyone who needs polished content fast and without a design team. But if you need full control over every design, offline editing, and maybe you're on a tight budget, traditional tools like PowerPoint, Google Slides, or maybe Canva might still edge it out. The AI is excellent, but it isn't perfect. And for some projects, this is the fact: manual control is still king. And that's it on the review of Gamma AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Tome, Beautiful.ai, and Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.